Is this one the first one? Doesn't matter.
No, that's like the third.
So I must feel this one in here.
First one is your green.
Okay.
It's okay. It's fine. Keep going.
I'm gonna feel it in. It's cool. It's like a 3D, but it's flat back. And then keep in mind too, this is just a sample on the nails that on Whimsical. But if you do on the real humans' hands, it's so much better because the C curve is totally different. This one, like, I cover flat nails.
Another dude. Okay. Bye.
Okay, so
well, seems like you have plenty of people missing slate, so they're gone.
it just okay. So now I'm gonna blend this to make sure.
Yep. Let's see how many accounts they're gonna make. They can only have so many phone numbers, right?
Just fund and okay, I want to seal it in to make sure. And if you feel like any of the edges you need to be filling in, do that so, because it's gonna really help it in here, and also it keep it from away catching on the hair and the nails. I mean the clothes. All right. Hey Teddy, how are you? Tell me later. Oh, Bella. You know what? It's just talking about that. I'm so used to with this so many years, being able to share with so many nail techs for cross country and travel. I see that a lot. Like now we only see it on the social media, but I see that in real person. Okay, so it's not new to me. But I don't waste my energies for all the negative people because not much they can say. They're lucky because I didn't see his comments because he was nice and say bye him too fast. You don't see that how I travel from so many thousand miles and training for people, and people come to me, it's so negative, and like probably I own them a whole life. But then it's turning out, when I sharing it, then they're like, oh my god, changing completely. So not much you can do. You can please everyone, and they are negative, they'll stay negative. There's not much we can do. I feel sad for them, but anyway, I'm grateful to see every single of you. Hey Dom, hey Michelle, how are you? All right, so here, and hold on. Hey, I think I forgot to put the beads and stuff, cover it on the other one. If I do, I will. But don't put it on your crystal, just make sure it's on your. Hey Teddy, thank you. Dom, I missed your comment. From a thousand of you are so positive to one person, it's not a big a deal. I'm just like, didn't pay attention. I'm thinking of my latte matcha over here. Thank you everyone for keep me is nice and positive. It's funny, I think he was like come in and say, oh haha, good luck, you can only block me, whatever.
Well, anyway, so Teddy, if you like some flower, feel free to go to our website and get some.
This is there. Oh my god, I'm gonna save that cute crystal right there, already pre-made for us. Oh my god, you don't know how much time I will save from this. I'm still here too. Feel free, because it's go right in the petal, so it's not gonna see anything at all, but it's gonna keep yours from really like safe there. All right, I think I got all the corners and everything. No one messed with my family. Oh, thank you, Sassy.
And also here, Teddy, if you want to hang out and be nice, okay? If you be mean, I'll block you.
Yeah, thank you, Teddy, for tuning in. We're all in a positive vibes over here. So thanks so much, everyone, for tuning in. Any questions regarding to techniques, if you are beginners or you are just starting with the school or the nail technician getting in the beauty industry, feel free to ask any question if you needed it. And I will be here, try my best to support you all. And I'm gonna seal right here too. And I'm gonna also seal my pearl too. I'm not hesitant to seal it because crystal I'm not, but pearls and charms you can go ahead. All right. Yes, we just here to support each other. So we don't no one's want any, like, we want to see you all successful. Any of you have any questions regarding anything that related stuff that we can able to like give you an answer and support, we're absolutely happy to, because to supporting you. I think it's next week should be our time to go back in the mini giveaway. Do you think it's gonna be fun, huh?
Yep, so ladies, we do have something planned for Labor Day, so do keep out for that.
Yes.
Even though we haven't announced anything yet. But yeah, so when everything finalized, we're gonna pop it up right away. So kind of keep an eye for that.
Okay, so clear this one for 60 seconds.
Yep, Lisa, so these are pre-made. So these are from our talented team. They are handcrafted, each one of them. So you can have it already pre-made, just put on the nails. It's extremely fast, quick, and beautiful.
If you want to watching me do one of this, it might take quite a little bit long time. Well, you see me doing a 3D, I share with all of you. And if you want to see doing a 3D, flat 3D for encapsulating as well, let me know. We're going to do that as well. And then with this one, if you want to add some like a flowers, which is some leaves, you absolutely can, but there's already pre-made it for you. And it's like really cool and concrete there. I'm really like this one. I don't know which one is your favorite, but I will get all the 3D for you. Be right back.
Yes, lady, get ready. Nancy about to show you a lot. Oh yeah, and Eric, you're there too, my man.